Alright guys, it's going to be part 2 of the water catchment system. This is just the frame for the two 55-gallon drums. It's right there. I'll just give you a real quick rundown, just in case anybody's interested. If you want to, I don't want to say steal it, but use what I've used to make your own. These are just 2x6s, the one going across. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Those are cut at 26 inches in length. So there's 6 of those at 26 inches. The cross braces here, see, I cheated, I wrote all the numbers down so I wouldn't forget. The 90-degree angles from the long spot, or the long part to the long part, it is 16 inches. And for that you got 1, 2, 3, 4, and then down at the bottom 5, 6, 7, 8, because this is where your barrels are going to be setting. The long frame boards, if I remember right, yeah, these are 81 inches from the top to the bottom. And again, those are the 2x6s, and you can see there's 1, 2, 3, 4 of those. Let me see, I think this side's what. All right, these are just frame, basically. This is just to keep it from moving in and out. And there's 4 of those. Those are just 2x4s. Those are cut off at 27 inches from end to end, so you guys can kind of see, that's what the dimensions of it would be. What else was there? And the only other wood are these, and I don't know if these are called 1x1s. I'm not sure what they are. They were railings for a deck that I put up, leftovers that I had. And those are cut at 23 1/4. So there's 4 of those. 1, 2, 3, 4 at 4 1/4. It's real simple to put together. I mean, this took me a couple hours yesterday, and then today I just came in and put the cross braces in, screwed all those down. And the other thing that I did, underneath each of the corners where the barrels are actually going to be setting, just for extra support, I got the steel L brackets and screwed those in to each one. You can see it. There's the back one. There's the front one. Same thing there and there. And then also again on the bottom. I'm not going to go the whole way down, but each corner or each one of those has that. So that's it. Literally, this lumber I had left over from deck projects, porch projects, building a garage, screws I had left over, and I think it was like 16 bucks in just the L brackets. Barrels were free. Everything was, basically this was a free project. I'm going to put the barrels in it real quick, just show you what it looks like completed in there. I don't have the connections for the downspout or the PVC to connect the 2 barrels, but I don't know. I'm actually I'm impressed, because I am not a carpenter or somebody who usually makes things that turns out, and I'm really impressed with this. So all right, let me stop this real quick and get the barrels in. All right, before we do the full overview real quick, just in case you guys, if this is the the style that you're looking for, or if this is what you want, the dimensions on the boards, all I did is, I made a front piece and I mirrored the back piece off of the front piece. It's literally how easy it is. This bottom piece, the bottom of the 2x6 is 13 inches from the bottom to there. That is 13 inches. And then I just measured up to the bottom of my second 2x6 is 47 inches. And then to the bottom of the third 2x6 is 75.5 inches. With this top one, you may want to push it up about 1/4 inches, maybe make it 75 3/4, because this barrel, it fit pretty damn tight. So, but there again, you're gonna have to look at the barrels that you have to make sure that they might not have bowed or warped, or they're a little misshapen. But that's the other measurements if you guys want to use this that I can think of. But that's what it looks like. I'll back up here a little bit. I'm not gonna be able to fit the whole thing in, I don't think. Yep, there we go. But that's what it's gonna look like. Downspout connection, PVC connection there, and then the spigot at the bottom. So, all right, that's it. Any questions, put them below. Later.